Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Okay, before we continue, one thing to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So let's press the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through it by swiping on the screen. Find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it, of course, to enter. And here, find the option called reset. Tap on it, then scroll down and tap on the reset button. Tap on the check mark to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. Now, once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.